How to fix Among Us disconnected from server. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Among Us getting disconnected from server a lot of times. So let's get started. So the reason why this happens is mostly because of your internet. Make sure that you have a strong and stable internet. You can head over to your Wi-Fi settings and turn it off and turn it back on again, or you can simply turn on your airplane mode and turn it back off again. So after doing that, your Wi-Fi will just reconnect, and after it reconnects, you can head back to your Among Us and try again. Now if that again does not work, make sure that you have Wi-Fi and not just the connection. Make sure that you've paid your bills and the Wi-Fi is working just fine. Also, make sure that you're not connected to any VPNs. After you've done that, what you'll need to do is just go back again and check if your Among Us works just fine. If it again does not work just fine, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your App Store, and on your App Store, after you search for Among Us, you should see this option here, and right here, if there is an update button instead of the open button, just update your account. Now, the reason that you are not connected to the server can be because your Among Us is not up to date to the latest version. After you've done that, you can simply head back and start playing the game. Now again, if that does not fix your problem, you can head over to your settings, head over to your general, head over to iPhone storage, and after you're on your iPhone storage, search for Among Us, and right there, just offload the app. After you offload the app, reinstall it, and that will clear your cache. After doing that, your game should work just fine. And yeah, that is how you can fix the Among Us getting disconnected from server error.